Here's the door. So this will be the door into the unit. Walk over, coach storage. Fridge goes here. This is the kitchen. So the sink would be right here. Here is the bedroom, closet straight ahead, big bedroom. Walk out, take a left. Here is the living space. Actually, a pretty big living space. You can see the exit right there. This is going to be all storage. And this right here is a hallway they've created that will go into the washroom. That is the, that'll be where the toilet is. This will be the shower, and this will be the vanity. And this is where the stackable laundry will be, and then this is all storage. I'm gonna walk through this right now, and this is gonna be up to the main living quarters, and beyond that is another egress window.